Hey everyone, we're back today for another Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cut up a melon. You can use honeydew, cantaloupe, watermelon. It's pretty much the same technique for any melon. So you can do this for pretty much anything. So how we're going to start is we're going to cut off the ends. So you take it north-south. You're just going to cut off the end here. Turn it around, cut off the end. And then we're going to set it. It's a nice flat surface so it doesn't roll around. And then we're just going to take our knife and we're just going to shave off, kind of like you're just peeling from north to south. So I rotate it like this so I can always follow this line here where you see the white. And you're just going to keep it at an angle and follow that all the way around. So these turn them into delicious rind pickles. You can pickle watermelon rinds, and it's a delicious summer snack. So we're going to then cut it in half. So open it up and then just scoop out the seeds. Like any melon's going to have this nice cluster of seeds, unless you're using seedless watermelon. Then from there, I'm just going to cut strips like this. And then rotate it like this. And you just cut chunks like this. So you're left with these nice, uniform chunks of melon. So if you're making a fruit salad or anything like that, you get these nice uniform chunks. And that's how you cut a melon. You can do that with anything. A cantaloupe's going to be the same way. Watermelon, just a little bit bigger, but you do the same technique.